In this video, we're going to write decimals expressed as words into a decimal number. So if we have a problem like this that says write 8 and 13 hundredths as a decimal number. So the first step is to use a place value chart. Okay, it always makes everything easier. You have your ones, your tenths, and your hundredths. And this is where the decimal spot is. Okay, so the next step is to write in the whole number. So we know 8 is a whole number. So we could put that into the ones column right away. Okay, then write in the fraction part. So the fraction part is this one, 13 hundredths. Okay, so when you see that, you know that 13 hundredths is the same as 13 over 100. That's what this means. Okay, so the 1 goes in the 10th spot. Here's the 10th spot. And the 3 goes in the 100th spot over here. And it'll look like this. So this is the 1 and this is the 3 from the 13. Okay? And the final result, if we write it out as a decimal, is 8.13. So that's the answer to writing 8 and 13 hundredths as a decimal. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, just rewatch the video. Also have resources in the description that show links to my other videos that are like this if you need more practice. And also don't forget to download the ebook and you can follow along this exact lesson in the ebook.